Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, introduce us from Group 6, consisting of Anissa Febriani, Oki Rindang Pratiwi, Vivi Nurharyanti, Sekar Maulida Salsabila, and Anis Puspitasari. And then we will present the result of our group discussion.
Article. In English, there are three types of article: a, an, and the. Article are used to point out or refer to nouns. Article usually precede the nouns or noun phrases. The use of this article is determined by whether the nouns are singular or plural, countable or uncountable, and definite or indefinite. Article can also be followed by an adjective and a noun. Types of article. 1. Definite article. A definite article is an article that marks a definite noun phrase. Definite articles such as in English, they are used to refer to a particular member of a group or class. I may be something that the speaker has already mentioned, or it may be otherwise something uniquely specified. Example 1. Give me the book uses the definite article and thus expresses a request for a particular book. 2. Give me a book uses an indefinite article and thus convey that the speaker would be satisfied with any book. 3. The Quebec white butterfly lays its eggs on members or of the Brassica genus. The definite article can also be used in English to indicate a specific class among other classes. However, recent developments show that definite articles are morphological elements linked to certain noun types due to lexicalization. Under this point of view, definiteness does not play a role in the selection of a definite article more than the lexicality attached to the article. 2. Indefinite article. An indefinite article is one that marks an indefinite noun phrase. Indefinite articles are those such as English some or a, which don't refer to a specific identifiable entity. Indefinites are commonly used to introduce a new discourse reference which can be referred back to in subsequent discussion. 1. A cookie is a wonderful thing to eat. Indefinite can also be used to generalize over entities who have some property in common. 2. A monster must have broken into my house last night and eaten all my cookies. 3. A friend of mine told me that happens frequently to people who live on the same street. Indefinites can also be used to refer to specific entities whose precise identity is unknown or unimportant. 4. Leaving my door unlocked was a bad decision. Indefinites also have predicative uses. Indefinite noun phrases are widely studied within linguistics in a particular because of their ability to take. 3. Proper article. A proper article indicates that its noun is proper and refers to a unique entity. It may be the name of a person, the name of place, the name of a planet, etc. The Maori language has the proper article which is used for personal nouns. So, a Pita means Peter. In Maori, when the personal nouns have the definite or indefinite article as an important part of it, both articles are present. For example, the phrase a Teraparau which contains both the proper article a and the definite article te, refers to the person named the Rauparaha. 4. Partitive article. A partitive article is a type of article sometimes viewed as a type of indefinite article used with a mass noun such as water to indicate a non-specific quantity of it. Partitive articles are a class of determiner. They are used in French and Italian in addition to definite and indefinite article. In Finnish and Estonian, the partitive is indicated by inflection. The nearest equivalent in English is some, although it is classified as a determiner and English uses it less than French uses the. French fix to do coffee. Do you want some coffee? For more information, see the article on the French partitive article. Haida has a partitive article suffix ja referring to part of something or to one or more objects of a given group or category. A.G. Tlugya Uhal Tlahlang. He is making a boat, a member of the category of boats. 5. Negative article. A negative article specifies none of its noun and can thus be regarded as neither definite nor indefinite. On the other hand, some consider such a word to be a simple determiner rather than an article. In English, this function is fulfilled by no, which can appear before a singular or plural noun. No man has been on this island. No dogs are allowed here. No one is in the room. In German, the negative article is, among other variations, kein in opposition to the indefinite article ein. Ein Hund, a dog. Kein Hund, no dog. The equivalent in Dutch is Jin. In Hund, a dog. Jin Hund, no dog. 6. Zero article. The zero article is the absence of an article. In languages having a definite article, the lack of an article specifically indicates that the noun is indefinite. Linguists interested in X-bar theory causally link zero article to nouns lacking a determiner. 6. In English, the zero article rather than the indefinite is used with plurals and mass nouns, although the word some can be used as an indefinite plural article.
So many presentations from us. If three is a wrong language, I'm sorry. Billahi taufiq walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.